Welcome back, everybody. This is the Bib Lifestyle. I'm Jamie Graff, and as you know it, I'm here for you. This is the end of the fourth week for Amari's transformation, and I want to show you how to lose weight with food. It's all about consistency, and that's what I'm showing you here with the Bib Lifestyle. Most people who want to lose weight, they think that they've got to eat a lot of proteins, a lot of meats, or cut foods out, but really, it's all about eating food. You have to put the food in the body so that it reprograms itself and recognizes what it's getting in and when it's getting in, and then it will begin to eliminate the excess waste on the body. The built up fat, the built up disease, the built up sickness inside the body, it can all just be eliminated from the body through food. So in this episode, I want to show you guys how you lose weight with food, the real way, the healthy way, the most effective and the safest way with no side effects. And I'm going to show you what this food consists of. And that is the key word, consistency. You have to do this week after week after week to reprogram your body, reprogram your mind, and just watch the pounds drip off. Now, if you exercise, that's just a bonus because you're putting all these different varieties of nutrients inside your bodies that are feeding your cells. So your body's going to have a really good chemical reaction with the exercise and following the Bib lifestyle. That's what makes it so effective, because it's what the body needs. So let's go over what exactly we have here. So Amari just started drinking his beet juices a couple weeks ago, and as I've expressed to him and to you guys before, you always want to start off with at least 2 glasses of room temperature water to layer that inner liner of the stomach. You want to put some water inside there because that's going to help it's going to help just hydrate the body and get the body ready for digestion is what that's going to do. So we want to drink at least 2 cups of water. Wait about 20 to 30 minutes before we take anything else. And you most likely, you do not want to eat anything really, a large meal in the morning. That is the time where the body is trying to eliminate waste. So we don't want to disturb the organs and the process that's going on inside until later in the afternoon after we've woken up and done a little bit of activity to really build up a little bit of an appetite. But if you want to juice something in the morning, I think that's okay. It's been very effective with all of the other individuals following the Bib lifestyle and always with me as well. So we make some beet juice, and what we do have in this beet juice is fresh beets with the beet shrub. I added some big chunks of turmeric and big chunks of ginger. Let me just grab that off the shelf right here. We've got our raw ginger and raw turmeric, and we just throw that in. I use the skin and all, and you can see. So we just toss that right in the blender. I, of course, even though the beets are organic, I still chop them and wash them in the baking soda. And that's all we have in here is beets, a chunk of turmeric, a chunk of ginger, and water ground up. I leave all that fiber in there so that the body can help pull some waste through the intestines, and this is going to fuel the body, give you energy, and get you going for the morning. Now, a few hours later, you're going to grab one of these delicious fruit bowls. If you like to work out in the morning, I highly recommend drinking the beet juice and then going to do your exercise about 30 minutes after drinking the beet juice. After your workout, you're going to come home and you can enjoy a fruit bowl, a delicious fruit bowl that consists of 5 different types of fruits. And you want to have, at least depending on your current body weight, I'm 167 pounds, so I make sure I eat at least 6 cups of fruit. And that's what we have right here in each one of these bowls. Amari's a bigger individual, so he's actually going to have more. And honestly, inside here, there is 7.5 cups of fruit in each one of these bowls. 7.5 cups, consisting of 5 different types of fruits. So he's going to eat that fruit bowl. That fruit bowl is going to electrify you. It's going to hydrate you. It's going to give you vitamin C. It's going to give you collagen, it's going to give you electrolytes, and it is just going to give you fuel for the entire day. So then, right before, we'll say 4 p.m., what we're going to do next is we're going to go to one of these jars right here. And inside this jar is going to be some root powder. And as you can see down here on my rack, I've got a variety, 23 different types of raw roots. Moringa powder, chanca piedra, red maca, golden seal, turmeric, goatweed, all types of different varieties which balance your hormones, boost your testosterone, help with kidney stones, help with thyroid issues, inflammation, stress, anxiety, sleep. The list goes on. You're going to add a little bit of hot water, about 4 ounces of hot water, into this little container right here. Put the cap on, shake it up really good, and then you're going to let it cool down. It has to be heat activated. So then you're going to let it cool down a little bit. And then right before you drink it, you're going to shake it up again and just take it down in 2 or 3 sips. And this is going to just, again, fuel your body even more. You're going to get a natural high and energy that is just going to ignite you and want you to get more out of your day. And that here is the BYBB Lifestyle Full Root Powder Packet inside there. Now, as we progress down into the evening, if we are still hungry and we want to snack on something, we'll go ahead and we'll grab one of these jars of raw nuts and dried fruits. Now, these are going to give you lots of fats and lots of oils and more proteins and more minerals and iron. Dried fruits are packed with iron. One of the big things that people lack is iron. That's like if you're cold or your toes are always cold or, God, I forget a few of the other things individuals deal with from lack of iron. But it's a very important mineral that the body needs, and most people lack it. And dried fruits are packed with iron. So inside this, we have the trail mix. We've got some pecans, some dried cranberries, some walnuts, some macadamias, hazelnuts, Brazil nuts. I've got dried cherries, and then I've got mission figs. A good variety, a good assortment. And then that can be your snack either before your dinner or late night after dinner. It doesn't really matter. You can still enjoy these foods at midnight because the body takes them in as a nutritional value. It's not something that the body's going to store as fat. It's going to take it in as a good thing and eliminate what it doesn't need. And then for our final dinner in the evening time, what we have here is we've got a mixture of a grain, a bean, and 4 types of leafy greens and 2 types of cruciferous vegetables. So have a lima bean inside this container. We have some pearl barley. We have some carrot, some bell pepper, red pepper. We have Swiss chard, dandelion leaf, romaine lettuce, spinach, and collard greens. That's what we have inside these salad bowls. And this is how you live the BYBB lifestyle. Now, I do have one more other thing that I like to add to the fruit bowls, and that is the seeds. Now, these are another important part of nutrients. You could plant seeds and grow a forest that can take over the entire planet. If civilization were to disappear, Mother Nature would still carry on and take over everything. And so that's what we have right here is seeds, the power of seeds. These help to strengthen your hair, strengthen your eyes, strengthen your organs. They eliminate gray hairs. They help with birth if you're looking to have children. And for the women, it's great for when you're pregnant, before pregnancy, during pregnancy, after pregnancy. The research just talks about how important these nutrients are for the body pretty much throughout your entire life. Something that we are just depleted from is nutrients. Most food out there has no nutritional value. But on the BYBB lifestyle, this is what I teach you: how to get those nutrients, how to get them into your body so you can reverse the age of time. Nutrients are the true fountain of youth. When you follow the BIB lifestyle, you begin to look better, you begin to feel better, you lose the weight. When you do the BIB stick with the BIB lifestyle and you exercise, you tighten up the skin on the body. That's how you begin to look younger. That's how you begin to feel better and build a newer, healthier, stronger, and sexier version of yourself. And that's what we have here on this episode for Amari's 4th week, the BIB Lifestyle Full Meal Challenge. Amari is having incredible results from following the BIB lifestyle. He has been living it 7 days a week, doing the best out of all the other testimonials that I have to show you guys and throughout the YouTube channel. I can't wait till you see his before and afters so that you can jump on board and follow the BIB lifestyle with me and all the other people that are enjoying it, because there's so much stuff out there telling you to eat this, to eat that. But guys, let me tell you, you won't believe it until you try it. And this here's what we have for the BIB Lifestyle Full Meal Challenge. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hit that like button. Share this with your friends and family. Don't forget, I've got the book right here, My Health, My Story, How I Discovered the BIB Lifestyle. It gives you a story of my 30 years of health and nutrition, how I got to where I am today, the trials, the errors, the tribulations, and this is a step-by-step guide that teaches you how to live this lifestyle. It gives you the mathematical scales on how much fruit to eat, how much grain to eat, how much bean, how much salad, the root powders, all of it. It explains everything in a step-by-step process, and then you get to learn about the food as you're eating it. Get out there and get your copy, www.biblife.com. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, any comments, please reach out to me. Because as I said, I'm Jamie Graff, and I'm here for you. All of you guys out there, thanks for tuning in. And always remember, be your best body.